Okay, today I am here with some new topics. So we can start our new lesson through the alimentary canal. So first of all, do you like to learn about our body? Okay, so let's hear the words of Idli.
Was sitting happily in a vessel. Unexpectedly, I got trapped in a mouth. I was stressed and squeezed even before I could enter the mouth. And what to say about my story in the mouth? How cruelly the teeth treated me. And when I tried to escape, the tongue threw me again before the teeth.
Do you understand how the idli reaches the mouth and condition after that? Do you know what is this? Yes, it is our stomach. Food from the mouth reaches the stomach through the esophagus. The wave-like movement of the esophagus enables this. The wave-like movement is called peristalsis. The food is rendered paste-like inside the stomach due to the movement of the stomach wall. This is our stomach wall. The digestive enzymes produced by the stomach digest the food chemically too. Now do you understand what are the specialties of our stomach? Okay, let's move to the another one. Do you know what is this? Yes, it is small intestine. Do you know what are the specialties of small intestine? Okay, I will say. The small intestine is about 6 meters long. The digestion of the food is completed here. The nutrients from the digested food is absorbed to the blood. Okay, I think you understood what are the specialties of small intestine. Now move to the another one. Do you know what is this? Yes, it is large intestine. Do you know the peculiarities of large intestine? Okay. Large intestine is the broader intestine, the following the small intestine. The large intestine is about 1.5 meter long. The absorption of water, which contains minerals and salts, takes place here. What remains after that is fecus. It is stored in rectum and expelled through anus. This is rectum and this is anus. Now do you understand what are the peculiarities of large intestine? The large intestine and the small intestine is close to each other. I know you all have a doubt that why the small intestine is not called as large intestine. The width of the intestine is calculated here. The width of the intestine differentiate them in small intestine and large intestine. Do you know about digestive system? Let's learn it. This is digestive system. All the parts that have been said earlier is a part of the digestive system. This is esophagus. This is liver. This is stomach. This is small intestine and this is large intestine. This is rectum and this is anus. Okay, have you understood what are the parts included in the digestive system? Okay, now let's learn about the process of digestion. Food from the mouth reaches the stomach through the esophagus. The food is rendered paste-like inside the stomach due to the movement of the stomach wall. The food is stored in the stomach about 3 to 4 hours. The food from the stomach reaches the small intestine. The digestion of the food is completed here. The absorption of water containing minerals and salts takes place in the large intestine. What remains after that is fecus. It is stored in the rectum and expelled through the anus. Have you understood the process of digestion? Okay, let's move to another topic. Do you know what are the different components included in our blood? Let's learn. The blood contains oxygen from the liver, carbon dioxide from the cells, urea from the liver and the nutrients from the small intestine. Do you know what is this? Yes, it is a kidney. Kidney is our major excretory organ in the human body. The water which we drink is filtered through the kidney. We have two kidneys. Each kidney is about 10 to 12 centimeter long, 5 to 7 centimeter wide and 2 to 3 centimeter thick with average weight of 120 to 170 gram. The right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney because the considerable space occupied by the liver. Excess urea, water and salts in the blood is expelled and filtered in the form of urine. Do you know how many liters of water should a child and an adult drink a day? A child should drink 1.5 liters of water daily and an adult should drink 3 liters of water daily. During the summer season, more water is lost from our body. So there will be less water and more urea. The hormone vasopressin have an important role in this. The urine in this season have slightly changed into yellowish color. Do you know the urine contains 96% of water. The other 4% is lost in the form of sweat and etc. Now let's learn about how the filtration process is done. Do you see the red colored blood vessel that reaches the kidney? Blood along with the urea, water and other components comes to kidney through this blood vessel. This blood vessel is called artery. The other blood vessel in blue color which leaves the kidney is called vein. Blood well along with the water, urea and other components leaves the kidney in lesser quantities through vein. This is ureter and this is urinary bladder. The urea, water and the other components which leaves the kidney reaches the urinary bladder through the ureter. Since the urea is not essential for our body, it should be eliminated through the urine. Now, do you understand what is kidney and the process of filtration? Okay, good job. Do you know how the urinary diseases cause? Not passing urine when we require, not drinking enough water, not maintaining the hygiene. Cause urinary diseases. This is a model of our skin. This is the sweat gland and this is our hair. This sweat gland produces the sweat. Do you know sweat is produced by the sweat gland in our skin? Excess water and urea in the body are eliminated through the sweat. The major cause of dehydration is the lack of drinking water. Now, can you revise what all the things we discussed today? Okay, let's summarize these topics.
Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, digestive system, components in our blood, kidney, sweat and sweat gland are the topics we discussed today. Stomach, which is J-shaped, is the most extensible part of alimentary canal. Peristalsis, which is the wave-like movement, is more in the stomach. The stomach is divided into 4 parts: upper fundus, cardia, body, pyloric. Cardia is present near the heart. Food is rendered paste-like inside the stomach due to the movement of the stomach wall. Small intestine is about 6 meters long. Digestion of the food is completed here. The nutrients from the food is absorbed to the blood. Large intestine. Large intestine is the broader intestine following the small intestine. Large intestine and small intestine is close to each other. Large intestine is about 1.5 meters long. Absorption of water containing minerals and salts takes place here. What remains after that is fecus. It is stored in rectum and expelled through anus. Digestive system. Digestive system contains small intestine, large intestine, esophagus, stomach, liver, rectum, and anus. Process of digestion. Food from the mouth reaches the stomach through the esophagus. Food is stored 3 to 4 hours in the stomach. Food reaches the small intestine and the digestion is completed here. The nutrients from the digested food is absorbed to the blood. The absorption of water containing minerals and salts takes place in large intestine. What remains after that is fecus. Fecus is stored in rectum and it is expelled through anus. Blood. Our blood contains different components like oxygen from lungs, carbon dioxide from cells, urea from liver, and nutrients from the small intestine. Kidney. We have two kidneys. Kidney is a major excretory organ. Each kidney is 10 to 12 centimeter long, 5 to 7 centimeter wide, 2 to 3 centimeter thick. Its average weight is 120 to 170 kilogram. Right kidney is lower than left kidney. Filtration of the water and salts in the blood is done by kidney in the form of urine. This is the model of our urinary system. We have two kidneys, one in left and one in right. The red blood vessel that reaches our kidney is called artery. Blood along with urea and water reaches the kidney in larger quantities through the artery. The another blood vessel that in blue color leaves the kidney is called vein. Blood along with urea and water leaves the kidney in lesser quantities through the vein. Urea and water which leaves the kidney reaches the urinary bladder through the ureter.
Hey buddy, I am slightly up in posture than you.
Never mind, Lefty. We do the same job.
In this picture, you can see the sweat gland and our hair. This sweat gland produces sweat. Sweat and sweat gland. Sweat is produced by the sweat gland in our skin. Sweating helps to regulate and maintain body temperature. Water which drink is also lost in the form of sweat. So let's have a look on the model of our skin. I think all of you enjoyed our today's class. So see you later. Thank you. Bye bye. I think all of you enjoyed our today's class. So see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.